Hello students, I am Dr. PC Cambodia, Associate Professor in the Department of English, BSR Government Arts College, Alwar, Rajasthan. This video is for the students of MA Final English Literature Paper First Principles of Criticism. In this video lecture, we discuss Elaine Showalter's essay Towards a Feminist Poetics. According to this essay, the class of the ladies were busy in cooking, cleaning, dusting from the very olden timings. They were not given the proper opportunity to go to school, colleges, or to have formal education. They were closed within the doors of houses or quarters. They had to lead the life within four walls of rooms or the courtyard of their house or the building. Then the changes came by and by. The class of ladies in form of girls were allowed to have education and proper schooling. They were given appropriate opportunities throughout the world. They had proper education and they also started producing literature in various forms. May it be prose, may it be poetry, dramatic poetry, or any other literary genre. Then there was the need to compare how the writings produced by the class of the ladies were different from the class of the men or gents, because it was a general tendency that the writings produced by the ladies were not as competent as the writings produced by men. So, this need was there to compare and to contrast the literature produced by the men and by the women. Of course, such a demand is not new. In modern times, it has been picked up by Elaine Showalter, but in 1850 and even prior to that, the demand by the ladies to compare the literature produced by their class was there. Say, for example, in 1850, Elizabeth Barrett Browning opened such issue. But Elaine Showalter's work is being given prime consideration because her work is voluminous. It traces history of the writings of the class of the ladies. It traces their themes, vocabularies, issues, and then in which areas ladies were more interested. Say, for example, she finds the class of the ladies taking part in sociological writings and in also Marxist writings and other various forms of literature. Elaine Showalter makes two groups of major importance. In these two groups, one group is the writer of male or the producer of literature, that is male, and the another group is producer of literature only by the female. Then she tries to compare what impact the class of the male writers make on the readers of both the ladies and gents. Then another group, the class of the ladies as producer of literature, what impact does it make on the class of the readers, in which she includes male as well as female. She has on her conception and hypothesis, and then she checks with the help of so many illustrations and quotations. She also agrees that in the recent modern times, the writings of literature are not to that extent to which it had been in the past, for the reason that the writings of the modern times are based on the progress of science, technology, space technology, and computers. Even the texts produced by the literary fields are also being checked against linguistic orientation and the theories of languages and also sociological models. Elaine Showalter develops the models of writings as designed by the writers of the group of the ladies. And here I would like to refer to the black models of writings in the history of English literature. These black models of writings were produced by the black writers living in Africa. But there was yet another class, the class of the white writers who were also contributing to the black writings and their models. On the basis of those black writings and black models, Elaine Showalter also has her own models as produced by the class of the ladies. She develops these models into three categories, and then she divides them according to the span of time. Elaine Showalter's work establishes the position of the ladies as producer of literature. There were so many ladies who were producing literature worldwide in so many forms and in so many languages and in so many countries. Their work has also been lost because no one paid attention to. But Elaine Showalter's research tools, methods, and investigating styles are now finding their work, establishing their reputation, and bringing them back to the history of English literature, especially criticism from various countries of the world. Of course, her work is voluminous. She is taking pain. In this essay towards a feminist poetics, only we see the glimpses of what she has been doing. But if we go to the depth of her study, then we would like to praise her effort, and at the same time she tries to highlight the importance of the ladies, because in the modern times the class of the ladies is not being given proper consideration and proper attention. So it is a good news that there is a justification with the class of the ladies, because they have been working very hard and they have been trying to develop their model, and they are face to face with men, not to oppose them, but to make them realize that they are no less competent, and their own mentality, writing styles, every aspect of literary composition favors them. So they are also to be paid attention to, and they are also to be respected. And Elaine Showalter's work is helping very much in order to bring the class of the ladies as writers and also as producers of literature and also as the class that understands literature properly. So, this work is based on criticism as well as on the development of literature. Then, Elaine Showalter opens her issue in various phases, and those phases could be referred to as we go deep into her writings. We shall be taking the next topic in this video class the next time. Thank you so much.